In this video we will talk about hair loss solution. Try aromatherapy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Our ancestors did not have the benefit of today's scientifically researched drugs, but they often found natural remedies that worked just as well. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to treat everything from premenstrual syndrome to high blood pressure. Men experiencing the first signs of baldness often looked to natural cures as well. And some of the herbal remedies have surprising results. A group of dermatologists in Scotland tested an herbal remedy with great success, helping over 40% of their patients with a mixture of essential oils containing cedarwood, lavender, rosemary and thyme. In this double-blind study, the group using the essential oils showed improvement in 40% of the subjects, while only 15% of the control group noted an improvement. So, would you be interested in trying out aromatherapy as a hair loss solution? If you'd like to experiment with this, mix 3 drops each of lavender and rosemary oil with 2 drops each of cedarwood and thyme oils. Add this mixture to 4 teaspoons of grapeseed oil and 1/4 teaspoon of jojoba oil. Rub the mixture into your scalp for 2 minutes nightly, then use a warm towel to wrap your head. If you're not experiencing baldness yet, but your hair doesn't look healthy, you may want to try a mixture of lavender and bay essential oils to stimulate blood flow to the scalp and help circulation to the area. About 6 drops of each oil should be added to cup of a good carrier oil, like almond or sesame oil. Warm the mixture slightly and rub into the scalp. After letting the mixture penetrate the scalp for 20 minutes, shampoo with your normal shampoo. For additional benefit, you may want to add up to 4 drops of bay oil to your normal shampoo. Of course, you won't see a whole new head of hair after just 1 or 2 treatments. However, repeated use will most likely provide you with better looking, fuller hair. You'll also experience the positive benefits of aromatherapy and scalp massage as well, feeling more relaxed and ready to face the day. Aromatherapy may just be the hair loss solution that you are looking for. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.